Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2022 Kia Carnival, stock number 6375. This ran from the 10th 2020 to the current show. It has a KA4 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a KA4 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left front door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left rear tail light, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,